Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram language back to English if it's accidentally set to a different one. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you have your profile page up, select the hamburger icon up at the top right. And then you want to scroll down here and go to near the bottom section. Should be a lot of icons in here basically. Want to look for the little icon for language and translations. Should be right above the data icon here. So select the language button here basically. And then you can search a list for English, but you can see it should be right close to the top. So you might need to scroll through here, select English, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.